I did say that I was going to show you guys what it did to the target, so have a look at this. At least you shot a hole through the target, bruv. And I'm probably like 4 meters away, give or take. And there's still others, you know, like even over here, and like, look at that one. So if that doesn't tell you what this thing does, I don't know what will. Obviously you'll see it in gameplay, because this will be my main rifle from here onwards, because I just feel like it does its job. It therefore does what I want it to do, and I'm pleased with it, so why not? We've got to test it now, and that's how that's how you give good feedback, or give great overall feedback, because you've used the thing and you used it for a good amount of games as well as consistently, so you have a good overview of it. But with that being said, oh yeah, and shoot 2.5s for it. I will say that as a little extra, I didn't speak about BB sizes. 2.5s. I'm gonna test some 2.8s. I feel like the gun has the power to shoot those, but I was testing 2.5s the last 2 times I played with it, and that's what I'm shooting today, and you can see the results. So 2.5s, definitely recommended starting spot, but I'm gonna try some 2.8s just to see, because I reckon 2.8s would just give it, see when the gun has the power and it has the consistency in it, it's just a good gun. It's like, why not test it? Because the worst that will happen is I'll shoot them out of it and think, yeah, maybe I should go back to the 2.5s. That's the worst that will happen, and I doubt it, because it's literally throwing 2.5, so I don't see why it wouldn't throw 2.8s. You kind of get what I'm saying? And give it the cat travel with it as well, so we'll see. But with that being said, we are done, peeps. The CM16 2.0, and we out.